Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're enjoying this series. To hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. So in this video we are gonna talk about a demo website. That is our second website. It is Fiverr or Fiverr, whatever people call it, whatever you like to call it. So this is one of the website that most of the graphic designer side of people use it, and there are the kind of working of this website is completely different from the previous one, freelancer.com, that we looked at before. So one of the best thing I found about this website is there are various things you can secure payment first and then work out. So this is one of the best thing I've found out about this website, and there are several ranging of product. So in this particular site, what you can do is you can give your experience and people will come to you and they will tell, do my work. And rather in freelancer.com, what we saw is people post their project and people apply whatever skill they suit you. So it's totally way around between these two websites. So most of the graphic designer, videographer, small video creators are on this website mostly. And apart from that, there is web development and various things like that you can always see. So let's get started and look at the demo. Hey everyone, so let's look at to the other side that we talked about, that is Fiverr. So what happens is this site is a bit different from the previous one, that is freelancer.com we looked at, because here what happens is client don't post the project, you post the skills and things like that, and they apply and take you. So what happens is you can go here. I am currently viewing as a buyer. You can sign up as a seller and join as a seller, right? After joining as a seller, you can post your skills and your gigs. So this is the thing I will do for this particular amount. I'll show that how that gigs look like it's Christmas night out here, so it's super good environment outside. Cool. So what happens is I'll show how the gigs look like. So once you have this let's go to this popular web and mobile design. That is one of the best things sold out here. So I am seeing this as a buyer. So as a seller, what you will sell? You'll sell this kind of thing. You can see I will do a beautiful app design with interactive mock-up, and that is starting from 932 rupees. So you can see, right? This is the freelancer is offering, and this is the tasks he will do, and you can see his profile and things like that. So there are various kind of packages you can create. Once you sign up here as a seller, you can see that the interface, like how to create the gigs. We are seeing this as a buyer. So you can see for extra fast delivery, this is charge extra amount. For additional pages, this is extra amount charge. For commercial use, this is the particular charge. So this is the things how it work. So we are seeing as a buyer. So as a seller, once you sign up and you sign up, you write these things. I will do beautiful logo app design, and people buyer as like me, we are seeing right now, they will select your project and they will click simply continue. And after continuing, they can fill this form and they can check out. What is the best thing I found this about this platform is once you check out, you pay first to the Fiverr.com, and that particular amount is lying in between. You are here as a seller, buyer is here as a buyer, and in between there is Fiverr. So the amount is already transferred out here. Once you complete the project and it is approved by your buyer, and as a seller you got approved your work by the buyer, this particular amount is transferred to your account. So there is a security of money out here in this platform. So I guess this is one of the best thing. And also you post your gigs, so people come to your gigs and they buy your gigs and do their tasks. So this is how Fiverr works. So I guess you can go to the platform and start exploring, because once nobody can teach you go write this thing, kind of things like that, and post your gigs like that. the best thing is go to the platform, see how people are uploading their gigs, learn from them and upload your gigs. So there are various strategies of uploading gigs and charging the client. Okay, I will charge for a premium feature, I'll charge this amount. For one of the best feature I am giving, I will charge this amount. So you can decide based on your experience and the work you are doing. So that's it for this video. Fiverr is one of the site I used. So I didn't use this much, but this is one of the good site I have heard, and I have certain got some clients from it. So that's it for this video. If you're new, consider subscribing, because I am still seeing that 62% of the people are not subscribed to my channel and they're seeing my videos and enjoying them. That I don't want. I want like you subscribe to the channel and then enjoy the video. So I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.